Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can create a captions for your Instagram Reels in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. As you can see, I have this vertical video here and I'm going to add some captions to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the type tool. Well, this workspace is for vertical videos. You can also have that by going to Windows and going to workspace and select this vertical. So I'm going to add the text on the layer by clicking on it. And here I will write to get the properties of this. You need to go to the essential graphics, select the captions, the word that I have written, and go down. Use this center align text, and now I will add some strokes to it. By clicking on this, you can add the stroke. You can also add the shadows by checking on this option. I like my captions to be in the center and a little bold size. So I'm just going to center align this to the video. I'm going to animate this text so it will have a pop-up effect like in an Instagram reel. Now I'm going to add some animation to this one. I'm going to click on the toggle animation scale. You will go to the effect control and here you have this option, the text captions. Just click on this and you scroll down, and here you have this scale option. You see, if I increase or decrease this value, the caption size increase or decrease according to that. So I'm going to animate the caption with this one, and I'm going to set the scale for 80. Now I'm going to click the right arrow key for once, and now I'm going to increase the scale to 120 and hit enter. Now again I'm going to press the right arrow key 2 times, and now I'm going to put the value of 100 here. Now you can see there's a small pop-up effect. I'm just going to reduce the value here to 95, and there you go. You can see there is a small pop-up effect when you increase the frame size. When you export the video in good frame rates, this animation will look more good. Now let me show you how you can add extra text to it. I'm just taking a copy of this one and I'll be selecting this. Now I'm going to play the video. And that's how you can create captions for your Instagram videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Also, if this video helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.